Cooper here, and today we're going to be demoing P&S's XPRESS Interior Cleaner. So now XPRESS Interior Cleaner was developed for use on all interior surfaces, such as your leathers, your plastics and vinyls. So we're going to hit the back seat here. As you can tell in this vehicle, this person has dogs in his back seat constantly, so a lot of dog traction, a lot of dog prints. Got my Scrub Ninja, so we'll start and just get to work on this interior. When using XPRESS Interior, shake well before use to ensure the product is well mixed. The clean, residue-free finish provided by XPRESS Interior Cleaner typically lasts for several weeks. To use this product, you can either spray it directly onto the surface, an applicator pad, or a brush. You can already see the difference it makes on one pass over on 2 of the 3 seats in the rear. You'll want to gently scrub the area as needed to lift and remove dirt and grime. You want to hit all the leather surfaces, including the headrests. Now this incredible product cleans without discoloring or damaging the cleaning surface. XPRESS Interior cleans dirt, grease, oil, and other interior traffic marks that accumulate through normal use. Once again, make sure you get all the interior leather surfaces. I almost forgot about this little hidden compartment in the seats here, so I made sure to hit that. Beyond automotive interiors, XPRESS Interior Cleaner can be effectively used on similar materials in other settings such as boats, RVs, and home furniture made of leather, vinyl, or plastic. XPRESS Interior from P&S stands out in its category due to its multi-purpose nature. This single product not only saves time but also ensures a high-quality finish without the need for multiple products. For the steering wheel, I decided to change it up and spray the product directly onto the Scrub Ninja. Although this product does clean without drying, I did end up hitting it with a microfiber towel for excessive spraying. XPRESS Interior's formula is designed to be gentle on various surfaces while providing effective cleaning, and the pleasant fragrance adds to the overall user and customer experience. Look at the difference P&S's XPRESS Interior made in this back seat. Regular maintenance with this product will help sustain a clean appearance in your vehicle.